Today we will show you how to make a safety timer. We will also introduce to you how it functions. We carried out some research initially. We dismantled a mechanical watch to learn how it works, using it as a template to guide the construction of our safety timer. To construct our prototype, we decided to use a kitchen timer. We dismantled several kitchen timers to learn more about their mechanisms and components and understand how it works. After being able to fathom the mechanism behind mechanical clocks and kitchen timers, we embarked on our journey. We began our measurements and trial runs in order to decide on the best design for our prototype. After designing over and over again, finally, we managed to come out with the blueprint. It would best serve to eliminate any threat from unattended cooking. It has been said, imagination is the beginning of creation. With that, we placed the finishing touches on our blueprint. We then surveyed for suppliers around Singapore in search for the components for our safety timer, ensuring affordability and quality at the same time. Subsequently, we commenced on the construction of our masterpiece. We sketched the shape of the chassis. The initial installation began with the kitchen timer. Thereafter, we fit the coil spring and knob connecting to it. Finally, the rubber layer and the gear were put in place to link the mechanism to the stove. I shall proceed on to explain how our safety timer works. First, you need to turn on the knob on the stove to your desired settings, so you can cook in any flame intensity. You can have deep fry, stir fry, steaming, or just stewing. Next, you need to wind up this kitchen timer over here. So this is the kitchen timer, and this knob is also equally important, which includes a spring coil inside. These will create the elastic potential energy to turn this knob over here, which is connected to the kitchen knob. So once you have wind up this to your desired settings, you attach this kitchen safety timer to your knob through this hole. And then when the time comes, it will ring and releases all this to turn this gear over here. This will ensure that the kitchen knob is turned off and put out all the fire that is possible from unattended cooking. So you first turn the kitchen timer, and then you wind this knob over here. So when the time comes, it will ring and release this to spin the knob back to the original position, and the fire is turned on.